This video examines a repair project for a Bellcrank on a LeTourneau L1850. The focus here is on identifying structural stress points that require attention. Inspection revealed several fissures, with a major crack requiring specific intervention. To prevent recurrence and maintain cycle efficiency, a section change was performed rather than a simple repair. The process involved specific material standards, preheating, and precise welding parameters. These images show the preparation phase of the Bellcrank bucket link. You can see the initial state of the component and the steps taken to prep the area for the high-strength welding procedure. Here we see the detailed progression of the repair work, highlighting the careful alignment and the final preparation before the welding process is completed to restore structural integrity.